Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Learn English with Narayan. So guys, today was 28th video to learn English through online and another social media. And I am continuously posting my video on this channel from 27 days. So guys, you can join with my journey through like, share and subscribe. So guys, yesterday I read Word Power Mad Easy book. So today I also read this book because of this book was very fantastic and I learned lot of these books. So guys, don't waste any time, so just do it and let's read this book. So today we are start from season 25. So I show you in the camera, you can watch. So let's read. The origin and related word. About keeping one's mouth shut. About keeping one's mouth shut. If you let your mind play over some of the taciturn, taciturn people, you know, you will realize that their abnormal abnormal disinclination disinclination to cover station make them seem morose, morose, sullen, sullen, and unfriendly, unfriendly. Calvin Coolidge, Calvin, Cwlides, Coolidge. Taciturnity, taciturnity was world famous, and no one, I am sure, ever convinced convinced of him a cheerful cheerful over friendly or particularly 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 sociable 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 sociable. There are doubtless doubtless many possible possible causes of such verbal rejection. Verbal rejection of the word. Perhaps perhaps lack of self assurance, assurance, feeling of inadequacy, inadequacy, inadequacy or hostility, hostility, excessive, excessive seriousness, serious, or into intro specification, intro specification, or just plain having nothing to say. Who knows, the cause may be geographical CAUSE cause, geographical, 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 and climatic, 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 rather than RATHER, rather THEN, then psychological, 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 takes, take eternity, take eternity, take etern, take etern, take etern, TAC, take IETUN, taciturn is from the Latin verb taceo, to be silent, and is one of those words whose full meaning cannot be expressed, expressed by any other combination, combination, combination of syllabus, syllabus, syllabus. It has many synonyms, synonymous, synon, synonymous, 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 among, among them, silent, 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 uncommunicative, 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 retirant, reticent, 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 reserved, 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 secretive, 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 tight-lipped, TIGHT, tight, LIPPED, lipped, and close mouth, mouth, close mouth, MOUTHED, mouth, mouthed, but no other word indicate, INDICATE, indicate the permanent, PARMANENT, permanent, habitual, HABITUL, habitual, and temperamental, 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 TEMPER, tempera, MENTAL, temperamental, disinclination, 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 disinclination to talk, implied by take it turn, take it turn, take it turn, TAC, take ITUN, take it turn, better left unsaid, take it, take, taste it, TAC, taste it, deserve, also from Lecchio, deserve, also from Lecchio. Here is a man dying of cancer. He suspects what his disease is, and everyone else, of course, everyone else, of course, know. Yet he never mentioned the dread, D-R-E-A-D, dread word, and no one who visit him ever breath breath breaths breaths breathes breaths a syllable of syllable syllable of. So this page was end here. I read next page. So it in his hearing, it is tacitly take it understood by all concerned 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 that the word will remain forever unspoken. Forever, forever, remain, remain unspoken, unspoken, unspoken. Such a situation today, situation, 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 however, may or may not be typical. There appears typical, there appears, typical, typical, there appears, appears, appears to be a growing tendency, appears to be growing, growing, growing tendency, tendency among doctors and families, doctors and families to be open, the honest with people who are dying. Consider another situation, consider, consider another, another situation, situation, an executive, executive is engaging in extracurricular activities, extracurricular, curricular activities, activities with his secretary, 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 yet during offer time they are as formal and distant as any two human being can well be. Neither, neither of them ever said to the another, now look there, we may be loves after 5 o'clock, but between 9 and 5 we must preserve 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 the utmost decorum. Okay, such speech, such a verbal arrangement, arrangement is considered, considered unnecessary, unnecessary. So we may say that to have a take it take it arrangement. Nothing was even actual said. Arrangement. Nothing was ever actual said. To maintain, maintain a complete employer-employee relationship during office hour. Employer, 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 employee, 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 relationship, relationship, relationship during office hour. Anything, take it, then is unspoken, unsaid, not verbalized. verbalized, verbalized. We speak of a take it arrangement, agreement, 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 arrangement, 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 expectance, 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 rejection, 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 assent, assent, refusal, refusal, etc, etc. A person is never called take it. The noun is take itness. Bear in mind that you can transform any adjective into a noun by adding ness through in many cases. Cases. There may be a more sophisticated, sophisticated, or more common noun from, common, common, noun, from. Changing the a of the root take co to I and adding the prefix regen and the adjective suffixant, we can construct the English word reticent. Some is reticent who prefers to keep silent, whether out of shyness, embarrassment, embarrassment, or fear to revealing, revealing what should not be revealed, revealed. The idea of against, in the prefix has been lost in the current meaning of the word. Current meaning of the word. We have frequently, frequently made noun out of ant, adjective, adjective. The noun form of recent is reticent, Reticence is reticence. Talk, talk, talk. Loquacious, loquacious, Laquacious, loquacious. People love to talk. The adjective is not necessarily necessarily a put down out the implication implication when you so characterized characterize such people is that you wish they would pause the breath once in a while so that you can have your turn. The noun is loquacity, or of course loquations. So guys, video was very long, so I end this video here so you can read my today's English reading skill. So please like and subscribe and share my channel and join my journey to watch my upcoming achievement. Thank you and goodbye.